Now, breaking news from NBC4.
Today, some frustration in the Franklin County Courthouse in the murder trial of Jason Meade.
The judge hearing the case announced this afternoon the case is delayed until Tuesday morning.
The family of Casey Goodson Jr. was visibly frustrated.
It's already taken 3 years to get to this point. Meade shot and killed Goodson back in December of 2020.
NBC4 was the first to report. Multiple sources told us a new witness has come forward. Our Carrie Charles broke those details and joins us now with some brand new information, Carrie.
That's right. So we are now sharing more details about this case as the information has been officially filed with the clerk's office. We can now tell you a subpoena has been issued in this case for a man named Christopher Korn who lives in Groveport. He is scheduled to give a deposition on Monday morning, which explains why the trial has been delayed until Tuesday morning. I've been in touch with several legal and law enforcement sources who say the witness coming forward is the person Jason Meade says Casey Goodson pointed a gun at in December of 2020, which led to the now retired deputy following the 23-year-old. We also have new information for you tonight that says Goodson's mother, Tamala Payne, and her attorney, Sean Walton, have been subpoenaed. This is the paperwork regarding their subpoenas. They are also expected to give testimony on Monday morning. A lot of developments here. We've been talking about the case continuing, the trial continuing on Tuesday, and just an hour ago we were speculating about why. Well, now we know why, because these depositions, 3 of them, set to take place on Monday.
Yeah.
I know so many folks are wondering why the wait to come forward.
Well, I've been told by sources that the driver was afraid and had some concerns, so the driver did not come forward. But we can tell you that a man named Christopher Korn from Groveport is expected to give a deposition on Monday, putting two and two together here after speaking with several law enforcement and legal sources who have told us that the driver is coming forward as a witness late in this case. We're now being told that this person is Christopher Korn, and so we are putting together this is the driver who will be testifying during a deposition on Monday.
All right, Carrie, and we know that you will be following that closely. Also, NBC4's Anna Hoffman has been in the courtroom. She was able to as well see some reaction with her own eyes. Anna, what can you tell us?
Yeah, Jen, Sierra, and Carrie, there was a lot of confusion from family members today. Both parties spent around 3 hours meeting behind closed doors with the judge today. Neither side would tell us what they were talking about, but those new court documents filed today show us why.
I would defer to the prosecutors and to the defense attorneys.
Okay. The defense team walking out of the courtroom after the judge announced the delay, followed by Goodson's mother and family lawyer. Both would not talk to us about this. I also reached out to the prosecution for details. They also told me no comment. You could feel the frustration of Goodson's family felt after the announcement. Today, we were expecting the defense to call their final witness. The trial will resume on Tuesday, and we will be there until a verdict is reached. We are going to keep looking into this, and we will be back with updates. Jennifer.
All right, Anna, we appreciate it. Again, NBC4 has been in the courtroom for every minute of this trial and will be there through the final gavel. So keep watching NBC4 for the latest updates. You can also find them on NBC4i.com.